Good morning.
Good morning.
You're on video.
Great.
Yeah. Yeah. It is about 8 o'clock in the morning in Addison.
I'm just going to get wet if I come in here.
I haven't seen anything like this for 40 years.
Yeah.
Last time I saw something like this is in Montreal.
Did you get it on your droid? There's my car. I drove here this morning.
The back door?
Yeah, this drift's out there 5 feet high.
Oh, it's higher at 5.
Well, not to my nose. That's
Ooh.
5 feet. Anyway.
We're going to go check that out.
I climbed up it and fell down the other side of it this morning.
Oh.
I believe you.
6 o'clock.
You went in the back door?
Yeah.
Gloves on, going outside.
You went in the back door.
Woo. Whoa. Ah. Not looking where I'm going here. This black beauty. That's kind of a cool shot. I think I'm going that way. Anywho, warmth. Well, anywho, good morning from snow-covered Illinois, Midwest. Anywho, goodbye. Ooh, can't check the